Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in today's video, I'm going to show you why you need to double up the solar panels for your system because of days like this. Now, we started out today partly cloudy. It looked like it was going to be a pretty decent day, and the weather's calling for mostly sunny skies. And then the government decides they're going to get out today and start crisscrossing the sky with their chemtrails. And now about 3-4 hours later, this is what we get. Completely covered up sky, and as you can see there, sun is just making a little bit through the clouds and not doing much of anything. So this happens to be something that's going on a more and more regular basis. We've got a bunch of psychoscientists that are screwing up the planet and spraying us with all kinds of poisons and stuff like that. And really what they want to do is they just want to slowly poison us to death. So anyways, if you're putting together a solar system and think you're going to get some good power out of what you think you might need, you're going to be way wrong, because this is happening more and more, and there's very few days anymore that you can actually get a good solid sunny day. So anyways, my system is double of what I really need. 15 kW system would be fine for what I use in power. But with this going on, you really need a whole lot more. You need some overkill. So I've got a 31 kW system, and let me show you what I'm getting out of it. All right. I got two inverters here. This is the one that's running, and I'm running about a 2,500 watt load on it right now. And I'm getting 24 amps out of that charger, and I'm getting 28 out of that charger. And over here, my other system, this is off right now. All it's doing is charging batteries. I'm getting 17 amps there, 25 amps there, 28 amps there, and about 14 amps there. Now imagine if I had half the solar panels like what I would normally need on a day like this. All those figures would be cut in half. So that wouldn't really give you much of anything. So right now, like I said, I'm running a 2,500 watt load on my inverter right now. And let's see if we can focus in on that there. I don't think you can make that out, but anyways, I'm in the hole right now of about 25 amps that I'm drawing off the batteries. But I'm running a water heater right now at 2,000 watts, and as soon as that finishes, I'll be going back into plus, and I'll be able to get these batteries charged up. So there you go. There's your excuse for doubling up your solar panels there, because you're going to need to if you want to get anything decent out of your system. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.